Swifty rolling, that shit reek. Wrist protect, fully. Shooting the cut, so please don't creep. Money come in like Jeff it flip. Who that nigga say run this strip? Nigga a bitch, nigga a snitch. Whole time niggas ain't got no sticks on God. Nigga push up to the goddamn spot, don't make it how we in the spot. Yeah, bro, working the pot in pieces, hitting this shit, don't stop. Yeah, we trend to top, yeah, walking sacks on what I caught. Yeah, she blocked my shot, but now I'm lit, she want my cock. All I know is guap, man, fuck that, love my heart on lock. All of my time, ice clock, yeah, push 5 whips, we used to walk. That's it.
That's weird. How's your motherfucking dog, man?
Good for the cup, man.
New day.
Bird out soup, and today we're gonna be reacting to. Today we're gonna be reacting to Too Hot.
Yo, today we're gonna be reacting to Too Hot to Handle, every hookup that cost them cash. You know, I think all the way that did all y'all watch it?
Did not watch it.
Oh, he didn't watch it, but yeah,
I watched every season.
I ain't gonna lie, it's definitely a top 5 show on Netflix right now. Definitely.
You mean
right now?
Reality,
yeah.
It's a great reality show.
Yeah.
Well, they made kind of, they got new three seasons, right?
It's 4.
Yeah, they got 3.
It's 4.
Alright, so what you think is better, do this or the brother shit? The brother and sister shit?
I don't know, I think probably this. The brother shit was good for 1 season though.
Nah, it's only been 1 season. Oh, yeah, that's what you're saying. Yeah.
Compared to this 4, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, we finna lock in. Y'all want us to react to more videos like this? Let them know in the comment below. Like, subscribe, and rob, and we finna get them motherfuckers started. Oh, and basically,
Nah, they need.
Alright, so basically what it is, the show is basically like you come in the show with hella other people, and it's like supposed to be people that look good with it, look good, and then you can't kiss.
You can't do nothing sexual.
You can't do nothing sexual, or it's gonna cost y'all money.
Yeah.
Like the prize money is $100K. Every time somebody kiss, have sex, anything like that, they lose a certain amount of money.
I think sex is 20K.
For a kiss is 3K.
Yeah.
I think, what's going on? What's the bad thing about it? Like,
You lose money every time.
Yeah. If you do.
So would you risk your money into the kiss money?
Hell no.
No, and there's a.
I mean, she bad.
It's literally a group, so nigga, if you lose niggas money, they gonna be mad at you type shit.
Yeah.
Oh, so you gotta be on the low. So some people do it without getting
Nigga, you do it on the car regardless.
Cameras
all on.
Yeah, cameras in the shower.
Yeah.
So some people just do it just say fuck it. I'm
Yeah, fuck niggas, literally.
I guess
Sorry, Lana.
I want to make sure that my heart's in the right place.
Jessica.
By having sex.
There was some menaces.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
possum al fresco.
I feel like sex is like so valuable
he said
to
he was
really
hard on this time.
figure out how you truly feel.
Yes.
I know we want,
Give a fuck
okay?
about nothing.
Lana isn't the police.
Oh, so you go fuck them.
Waiting around here having sex and kissing
Every single time you
and no one will know.
I'm just a little bit annoyed.
Hey, on God, I'm gonna go for her. I'm going for
Nigga, that nigga definitely was broke for her.
Yeah, that's
How much money you start off with?
100K. But in the new season, I think they did 200.
Yeah, 200. Yeah.
So you lose 3. So you only lose 3K. Nigga, I'm gonna fuck her for that money.
for
you
kids.
offer.
Kiss.
Nigga, she gave him head one time. I think that shit cost him like 12K.
Probably cost 10K.
Shit, I'll do that.
I ain't crazy. I was like, I that's in the head.
Because all I want to do every time I look at him is kiss him, and I can't kiss him, and it's definitely frustrating.
Jessica.
Oh yeah, he
Well, what are we got to lose?
100K?
They don't give a
I
fuck.
wish I could resist. I hope I don't regret this decision. But he's so cute.
I think 3 weeks.
I hate to tell tales, but Lana, are you getting this?
And it was doing it outside, bro. Like, that's crazy.
They can do it anywhere. They don't matter.
Damn, they're getting their money.
Yeah, I was gonna say, they getting their money.
Well, I got one.
He did that so bad.
The room rate has cost $3,000.
Nigerian niggas.
Oh, the whole group has to split that money?
Yeah.
I would love if we lost everyone's money. I'm down.
That's 3K.
Yeah, we have to. And no one's gonna know that it was us.
Basically, for this part, the girl, the nigga, these 2 girls, they was mad at the whole group.
Yeah.
So since they were mad at the whole group, they basically kissed.
Yeah, that's another thing too.
So
You know,
what's
niggas
that?
is crazy. Like, alright, say you keep losing niggas money, right? They're gonna be like, these niggas don't give a fuck, so fuck it. We don't give a fuck either.
Yeah.
And they start kissing each other too.
Niggas.
Did you have like a new cast and stuff?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Some niggas,
Some niggas get kicked out.
and then they add a
New
person.
people. They been added some.
How they get out?
Not going with the process.
Yeah.
Like you gotta like at least try to fuck with somebody. Some motherfuckers be on the show just
I think that Calvin nigga was literally straightforward.
At first he did want to fuck with Francesca.
Yeah.
But
I think he
They damn near had sex in the shower.
oh yeah, she was washing them and shit.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That cost money too.
Oh yeah, and you can't jerk off or nothing.
Yeah.
What are you doing? 10 points for Gryffindor.
No, one night I hated this nigga.
It was you.
That's what they said. That's the thing. They literally thought they would cut to this shit and fuck with each other.
What are we doing?
Play.
I hated that.
Is that right?
Haley.
Yeah.
Haley really liked her whole time.
Revenge is a dish best served hot.
You have lost $3,000.
Look at this nigga.
Oh.
Nah, that bitch was bad.
I'm leaving right now.
They did everything. I think they did everything but fuck.
But should I just jump his bones? Or should I keep filling him out and seeing how far I can push him?
That nigga didn't.
Has breached the rules.
Like Red Bulls, Lana.
The list of offences includes kissing,
That's that bleeping out shit.
inappropriate touching of the,
Yeah.
constant use of the, in
They start
the,
using toys and shit.
God
No,
knows
they
how much money they spend.
I think they start using
They're
toys and shit.
animals.
not to mention
Nah,
the,
this Jesus nigga was crazy.
So that's violation in each time.
Naughty little fingers. Naughty little fingers.
Sharon's my boy, but him and Wanda, that's just... I look at them and it's just like, I get a headache. Get a bill sent to your house and you're like, fuck's sake. You know the bill's gonna come through, I'm just waiting for the bill to come through.
Well, at least the bill was itemized.
Sharon and Rhonda's actions have cost the group $16,000.
Say
That nigga wanted to be some nigga.
Expensive private suite
He like
I've
6'5".
never stayed in, but I've paid for.
you made it was so hot.
That nigga,
This nigga was a demon.
I ain't gonna lie, this nigga right here had the best wordplay I ever heard. The nigga, bro, he was just talking his talk.
Nigga, he was a real demon, nigga.
I'm a little nervous, actually.
Why do I make you nervous?
You're too beautiful for me.
See? Like what?
Chloe has really been kind of making her way into my mind a lot recently.
Guys in Essex are a bit rough and ready.
Yeah.
So I'm not used to like proper classy guys. But I mean I could get used to it.
You know, I have to be a good boy over here.
Why do you have to be a good boy?
You know, we have rules.
I just feel like I need to release that sexual tension. Do you know what I mean?
And how will you be paying for tonight? Cash or card?
I'm so used to doing naughty things, then connecting with someone, and now I'm like, oh, it's so systematic. Lana wants us to get to know someone, but then I'm like, oh, but then do I fancy him sexually? I don't know, but then I don't want to get to know someone if I don't fancy him sexually.
Yeah, she was a host on a whole other show.
Oh, basically she needs
going for the
to
kill.
be able to
It's hard to find a girl who actually is
that's how
sweet
she act
and
outside.
genuine, and you're beautiful. It's like you're like the perfect package.
Thank you. Why don't you kiss me then?
You want to kiss me?
What do you feel after that?
I don't think it was green, was it?
I forgot about the
Yeah,
watch.
me too. I forgot about it.
I don't want to cost more than $3,000, right?
Shit, is that like
You're a
a...
real nigga.
What's
Now when I look at her, I'm like, oh my god! I just it's like it's like I don't know if it's the fact that I
That's why
haven't
nigga the
squirted
first people
in
they just kept
days,
kissing.
but I'm just like, wow, this girl is like everything.
Well, you can kiss another $3,000 goodbye. You're down to a cool $75,000.
Oh,
Here we go.
my God.
No, they use the sex
Okay,
toys.
this is it. Crocodile Fundy and his sexy Sheila's chance to take on the ultimate test.
Francesca!
A night together. Alone. With no sex.
Cheers to us. Cheers to you. Big dog, you know what's coming. Just hold on as long as you can. Alright? Don't want to embarrass myself on television any more than I already have.
Let's not forget, the new and improved Harry has promised he won't break any more rules.
It's crazy because this part, like what's it called? They literally put their money on these niggas to not do nothing. So if they do something, it's gonna be double. Like the fines is gonna be double.
So this should be easy.
I don't want to break any rules though.
You don't? Neither.
You're gonna be fine.
We're mature adults, Francesca. We're saving ourselves for Christ.
I have total faith in these guys.
You're so cute.
Nothing to worry about here. Ah, crap.
Oh, fuck it, money. What?
Yeah, they give you them drinks.
You're jumping on the floor.
Harry and Francesca, you are the first people to have sexual intercourse in the retreat.
No way!
What?
Shock.
This is the most serious rule break so far and will therefore incur a heavy punishment. The fine for this indiscretion is...
Hit us with the magic number.
Nah, niggas sound like they just want the money back.
$20,000.
$20,000.
Oh, shit.
They already set the price on that law.
20,000.
20,000. It sounds like it's about 70,000.
Yeah.
That's 55.
That's it,
This nigga
Corey.
was
Keep
trying
your
to
distance.
pee, nigga.
I was actually going to say, because obviously
Nah, he
I'm
violated
not
her.
going in that, but I'll take it back tonight.
Yeah.
Just me chilling
That's after this.
or 4. Do you want to have a cuddle?
Yeah?
Because I was just going to be a bit weird, innit, with everyone else, so we're getting on.
Yeah.
So you think you're ready to take the next step? We getting in your bed?
I ain't saying it like that.
As long as you're a gentleman,
Of course.
I'll cuddle you.
What else can we be? Game on. I'm still not bothered about the rules. If Chloe's interested in me, like, come on man, what's going to happen?
And come sit over.
Aw, Kels is gonna go nuts.
Queen, queen.
Sorry, Lana.
Well, you can kiss another $3,000 goodbye. Or maybe more.
Chloe and Corey.
How much have you lost, Lana?
As a result of your kiss, $3,000 has been deducted from the prize fund.
Oh, so $3,000's alright, but I feel like it could have been wasted on someone else.
Street, how are you?
Oh, I'm great, thanks. I'm great. How you doing?
Good, thank you. What happened today? Learned about lady bits and appreciate it.
I'm not expecting to say that.
Yo, this nigga came in early too, right?
Yeah, he was there.
And then
Is it really?
Lydia.
Yeah, it's amazing.
You about to fuck with Francesca at first.
Yeah.
I actually learned
You're
so
like,
much in that Yoni workshop. I felt empowered by it, but does empowerment mean restraint or does empowerment mean you gotta get it, girl?
I don't know, like, I feel like I know you so well, but it's like the next thing that was natural isn't able to happen, you know?
Sometimes it's a case of you've got to play by the rules, but also like take matters into your own hands and just kind of like do what needs to be done.
No, I'm pretty sure the idea is to play along with Lana's rules.
He was trying to get that green light.
Literally being here and wait, and then Lana might give us a green light, or she might not. She might not.
Patience is a virtue, guys. You'll get the green light when Lana thinks you're ready.
I know what I could do. What I want to do.
Just be selfish for once, do you think?
Nigga said be
You want to be
selfish.
selfish?
That nigga's mean. You can kiss him, you might as well just.
Oh,
Oh, they see
I feel like first season niggas was a trip about the money. That nigga still look good.
Solidify things between you and Lydia. Spend money, bro.
Yeah, that nigga, I really feel
because it gave Lydia and I a great opportunity to understand each other more, and sometimes rules are meant to be broken.
David and Lydia.
Spare naughty little Lana.
Last night's breach of the rules has cost the prize fund $3,000.
Sorry, guys.
It's cool. Nah, that's all good.
It's been an emotional and exhausting
it's
day.
the
All the girls are fast asleep with their new, stronger selves. Except for Francesca, who looks like she might be taking a vacation down under.
Hey, this is gonna something. But how do you expect them not to do shit? It's a challenge.
You're in love. How sweet. Not sure everyone else is gonna love how much you just cost them, though.
Last night, there was another breach of the rules.
Oh, stop.
Fuck.
What?
And $6,000 has been deducted from the prize.
I ain't gonna lie, that's not shit. For Ed?
Yeah, I want to do that
what the fuck?
kiss.
If you've done something, just own up and be honest.
I know what you're talking about.
If there's one lesson you should have learned by now.
Oh yeah, that's another thing. Sometimes they don't say it's dumb.
Seize
everything. Oh, that used to. No.
I didn't think you would have saw us. We've been sprung red-handed. Fuck. God damn it! Okay, DFS got bonded and dropped our bomb and man accidentally ended up in the house.
You said we accidentally ended up in our mouth.
That she blew it. She literally blew it. Literally blew it.
Thanks, Kels, but I think we get it.
Y'all literally can go 2 days without doing some dumb shit.
But yeah, man, that's the end of the video, man. It was a cool little video. If y'all want to see react to more, 2 out of 10 or click, like, comment, subscribe, we'll get about 20K pick up all the support. And we got said I could've, but nigga, I will. RP my granny, this shit hurt still. Nah, never put a bot for a bill. No kids, no kids, no kids, no kids. Nah.